Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the single inclination of a square pyramid of base 30 mm and height 60 mm, which is resting on its base on HP in such a way that the axis of the prism is inclined 40 degree to HP. So at first we need to draw the square over the top view. On the right side will be the side. We can mark the midpoint because it's a pyramid. We need to show the apex and give the names. Here it is A, B, C, D, and here this O and P. We check the perpendicular. This is the axis line. Now we can plot the height since it's a pyramid. So we only plot the axis to the top. Now we connect the base from the apex. Now in first condition, the axis of the pyramid is inclined 40 degree to HP. So we take the complementary angle 50 degree to draw the base. So here it is B dash, A dash, here it's C dash, D dash, here O dash and E dash. Now we need to mark the point D dash over here and plot the angle 50 degree. We plot the line over here. Now we can take the distance DA here and plot it here, and to the axis we plot it here. Mark the points. Here it is C dash, D dash, here it's P dash, here it's B dash, A dash. Now we can plot the point O from C and B. We plot BO and CO over here. This is the 40 degree angle. and this is the complementary angle 50 degree. Now we need to mark the points. Now we have to connect it with the horizontal line. Now we need to mark the points. So A to A, here it's A, B to the B, C, here C, D over here, and the last one O is over here. Now we connect the connect the outer points. Now we need to connect the hidden edges. So here the corners touching the XY line is C and D. So there will be three lines from C and three lines from D. So the first one is C dash D dash C B, but it comes under the outer line, so we don't need to mark the hidden. Then C O. Here it also comes under the outer line, so we don't need to mark the hidden. So the only one remaining is C D. We can check on D also. There's D A, but it comes under the outer line. D O comes under the outer line. Then D C is only one remaining. Now we can connect the remaining points. B O. So this is the final figure. We can give the dimension now. So here it is 60, here it is 30. So this is the first condition. Now we are going to discuss about the inclination on the slant edge. So on the first condition, the inclination is on the axis of the pyramid. That's why we keep the 40 degree over here. On the next question, we are discussing about the square pyramid of base 30 mm and height 60 mm is resting on its base edge on HP in such a way that the slant face of the pyramid is inclined 40 degree to HP. Now that it's not the axis, it's the slant face, which is here the CDO. This face is inclined 40 degree to HP. So we draw the top view of and front view of the base position. Now we only need to tilt the point. At first we have to plot the point D dash over here. Now here we don't take the complementary angle, instead of we take the 40 degree right here itself, because the DO line is the inclined line, so we directly take the 40 degree over here. We plot the distance. Now we can mark the DO from here. So this is the DO. We can mark the DB distance over here and plot the DB distance here. Now we can complete the triangle. So here it's the point. So here C dash comma D dash, here B dash comma A dash, here it's O dash, and we can plot the distance of the axis also. So here it's 40 degree. It's very important to note that it's not the axis angle, it's a slant face angle is given here. Now it's similar to find out the bottom portion. We check the perpendicular. All the points we needed. So here it's A, B, C, D, here it's O. Now we can join the outer edges. And similarly, only the CD will be hidden. We can mark the hidden and we can connect the remaining AO and BO. So this is the final thing. Now we are going to discuss about the same square pyramid of base 30 and height 60 is resting on its slant face on HP. Here you can see there is no inclination is given, but it is given that it is resting on its slant face. So we just needed to draw this line. So this is the face and it's resting over here. So we plot this line C dash D dash over here and plot the distance over here O. We mark it here and we can plot the same distance over here. So I plot the OB over here and now going to the base and cut it here. So this is B dash comma A dash. Here it's O dash. We can plot distance over here. So this is axis. Now we can draw the vertical lines. Now we can connect the remaining. So this is D and this is C and this is A and this is B and this is O. So we connect the outer. So here this is the line which is near the XY. So C D O is will be hidden, and the C O is also hidden. We use the dash lines over here. Now we can connect the remaining AB. So this is the final figure. So here there is no inclination, but it tell us that it is resting on its slant face, that is DOC. Here the DOC is hidden. Thank you.